Hey, we are making our own vintage NBA All-Star jacket. All right. First, let me start off with the jacket. Those can see here, this is a Holloway. Holloway and DeLong, I believe, are pretty much two of the premier Varsity jackets. And so, again, this was a jacket I got from like $5 from a thrift store. And so, I decided I wanted to make this because part of the problem is that one, All-Star merch tends to be pretty lame, you know. Here is a very, very cool but very lame All-Star jacket from '97. A nice regular standard windbreaker, but nothing on the back, nothing on the sleeves, just the patch on the windbreaker, and that's it. If you look up through the years, or if you go on eBay and just type in All-Star merch, you won't see anything too exciting. And so, this I wanted to really make it, and I wanted to make it you know, very, very nostalgic. And so I went on eBay. The oldest patch I could find was from 2006 when it was in Denver, which is cool because I like Denver's colors, the blue and the gold. It really works. And because I'm in Detroit, I want the Eastern Conference patch. For years, up until recently, Sprite was the sponsor for the dunk contest. Same thing with Foot Locker. They sponsored the three-point contest up until recent years. So, again, so now I have a jacket that's very symbolic of the All-Star game, the dunk contest, the three-point contest, what I grew up loving and looking forward to watch every year, right? And on the front, I added just here a little Jordan pin. All this stuff was bought off eBay. If you go to eBay and type in NBA patches, you'll find all of this stuff probably between $5 to $10. I took it to the cleaners. The cleaners I go to, there's a beautiful person and she does sewing for like $3 to $5 a patch. And so she sews all this on. The Supreme pen, just a random Supreme pen. And this was more or less for balance. I kind of like the balance of having, okay, two patches, a patch and a pen, just a patch and a pen here. So I didn't want to bog it down with all these patches all over the place like a Jeff Hamilton jacket. Nothing against Jeff Hamilton jackets, but this wasn't the look I was going for. I really wanted to be less is more. And when we go back to the back of it, again, Chanel lettering, East, West, with the standard NBA logo in front. Again, I'm more than pleased with how this came out. Again, all the patches bought off eBay for $5, $10 a patch. If you can sew, that's a plus. If you can sew your own patches, you can pretty much make anything you want to make. But again, leather sleeves, go on eBay or go on a thrift store. If you come across a blank Varsity jacket that you can fit, All-Star jackets are a blank canvas. You can make it into whatever you want to make. You can make a Pro Bowl one. You can make a Grey Cup. Whatever it is you're into, the patches, you can make it into that. Again, so this is my personal own NBA All-Star jacket. Thank you for tuning in. You should see a couple of pics of how I style this. I actually wore this a lot with the Iversons. Like I have these denim Iversons, the retro, that really make the jacket pop. So until next time, peace out.